team at Caribbean Catalyst made it so dynamic and interesting for each and every one of us. And one of my key takeaways is people management. I think COVID-19 actually made it even more clear that we need to care, appreciate, value, reward, and see our employees. And for us as coaches, as managers, we have a global target to meet. Every company, driven by targets. You have to matter, you have to make money. That's how we all live. But a manager as coach is somebody who actually helps you to get there. As a former national athlete, coaching is something I'm very familiar with. I believe a coach is someone who is supposed to organize, plan, get the best out of their charges, because you have a serious level of accountability and responsibility. From one of my key struggles, I must admit, is performance appraisals. I do have a tendency to coach my team all throughout the year. I talk to them each and every time throughout the year. So the end of year and half year performance appraisals are not necessarily a challenge for me, but completing them always is. So you have to ensure that your employees actually know where they stand, receive honest feedback. For me as a manager, I am not above the law. I also engage and encourage critical and important feedback on what I can do better to serve them. So this year, coming out of that workshop, I made sure to finish my appraisals early, and I'm so happy, and that is one of the major changes that I made sure that I was committed to, and so has some other persons of our team. One of the key components of the Manager as Coach workshop is communication. Yes, we talk about emotional intelligence and handling disruptive emotions, but communication was one of the great things as well. Active listening is important. Even those nonverbal cues that we think people are not really picking up, it shows disengagement. So for us, we have to play an active role in listening to our employees, picking up what's going on, encouraging them to open up a little bit more, asking open-ended questions, digging a little deeper to ensure that that surface level conversation really becomes something more meaningful. So as we speak about people management and coaching our employees, we need to know what's going on with them. We are not robots. We do bring what happens at home to work, and we have to, as managers, ensure that we engage in active listening.